Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how just to make a plain pasta sauce. Just tomato sauce with some seasonings, and it is to die for. My family loves this. I know you are going to love this. If you have a picky eater at home, this is the recipe that you need. So I'm so excited to share it with you. As always, if you enjoy the recipe, give us a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because we truly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Bye guys.